Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I hope you are doing well. I want to show you what we got here. Etekcity bathroom scale for body weight. Smart digital weighing scale with app and Bluetooth. Accurate body composition analyzer. Very compact design. The size of it is 26 by 26 centimeter. Lightweight and easy to store and move. 13 essential measures including body fat, muscle mass, water weight, BMI and more. 4 high precision sensors of the smart floor scale deliver accurate weight measurement 0.1 pound to 0.05 kg. Increment with a 400 pounds / 180 kilogram capacity. These gadgets sync with fitness app. Sync your data with Fitbit, Apple Health, Samsung Health, Google Fit, MyFitnessPal to view trends in one central location. Unlimited users, so you can create unlimited users profile for family, friends, etc. Bear in mind that the body scale to sync in Google Fit, Android users will need to connect both V-Sync app and Google Fit to Health Connect app. We're going to unbox this smart fitness scale, check it out and see what is inside. And see what it looks like. Getting started. Remove the insulator strip from the batteries. So you go at the back, so you remove these insulators, then put the battery back in. Push it back up. So this is how you can see it's working. Place the scale on a hard, flat surface. Download free V-Sync app to add device, then follow the app instruction to complete setup. This is what we have here. This is nice. Etekcity Smart Fitness Scale. This is the unboxing. It deserves your attention. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.